Zelina Vega reunited with Aleister Black after his AEW run came to an end and he recently came back to WWE. Brandy Rhodes made her return to WWE alongside Cody Rhodes when he came back 3 years ago at WrestleMania 38. Bianca Belair and Montez Ford got engaged in 2017 and got married a year later. Candice LeRae and Johnny Gargano got married in 2016 and 6 years later they had their first kid together in 2022. Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins began dating in early 2019, got engaged a few months later. In late 2020, they had their first daughter together, and a few months down the line in 2021, they finally got married. In December 2018, Sarah Logan married the War Raiders Eric, and they have 2 sons together. Unfortunately, Sarah Logan was recently released and is no longer with WWE. Braun Breaker, who was previously dating former WWE superstar Elena Black aka Cora Jade, is now with NXT superstar Izzy Dame. Carmelo Hayes and Kelani Jordan began dating about 2 years ago in 2023 and recently revealed that they had been engaged. CM Punk and AJ Lee have been married for about 11 years at this point. They got married in 2014 and on the same day WWE served him his termination papers. Both Lash legend and Trick Williams perform on WWE's NXT brand and have been in a relationship for quite some time now. The Miz married former WWE superstar Maryse in 2014. They now have 2 daughters together. Stephanie McMahon and Triple H got married in late 2003 and the couple has 3 daughters together. Pretty Deadly's Kit Wilson was in a relationship with NXT's Stevie Turner and the couple got married in September 2024. WWE commentator Corey Graves got into a relationship with former WWE superstar Carmella in 2019. They got married in 2022, had their first child a year later and are now expecting their second child. Quite possibly WWE's most popular couple at present, Tiffany Stratton and Ludwig Kaiser have been dating for about 3 years at this point. Naomi got married to Jimmy Uso in 2014 and she is the stepmother to Jimmy's 2 children. Natalya has known Tyson Kidd since they were kids. They began dating in 2001 and about 12 years later in 2013, they got married. WWE superstar Sol Ruca has been in a relationship with Tyler Bate for quite some time now, but not much is known about their relationship. Scarlett and Killer Cross aka Karrion Kross got engaged in 2021 and the couple got married a year later. The Undertaker married Michelle McCool in 2010. They have a daughter together and they have adopted a son as well.